Spruttig hangers from Ikea. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Clueless Dad. Today we're going to talk really briefly about these Spruttig hangers from Ikea. These things go for about $1.50 for a pack of 10, as you can see here. So super cheap, super thin, very simple, but I think it hits all the notes you need, right? It's got those little hook things in there. What else do you need in a hanger? I guess it doesn't have the little clips, but other than that, for this kind of price, doesn't take up much space. That's nice. So yeah, this is a turbo hanger. If you haven't seen our video for this one, check that out. And yeah, it goes there, doesn't go off the edge. That's basically what you want. So the nice thing is, because they're so cheap, when you order this thing, which costs about $50, I threw in like 3 of these, just why not? Like, I think maybe fitting 30 coats on here is going to be hard, but you never know. We might get a second one later on, and we've got plenty of these, and sometimes the hangers go missing. So yeah, you can't really go wrong. I don't want to like try to break one and see how strong it is, but let's see if I can at least pull on it. Yeah, I mean, it can hang a bag off of there too, probably. If you hook it in the middle, maybe not, maybe it'll bend, but it's even got like the, just to show the good Swedish design, it even goes up here so that like if you have, I don't know, like a dress or something that's hanging on 2 parts, it'll actually automatically stay there. I don't know if that's on purpose or that's just for some other reason, but you know, because you could also hook it here. But maybe if it's too big to hook there, you can still have it go through here. Yeah, so anyway, Spruttig, made in China, of course. You can sort of read some stuff on there. Made in China, Ikea, Spruttig, 21293, blah, 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 blah. So it's made out of PPC plastic, maybe? I don't even know. So it's recyclable, I'm sure. Not too bad. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about the Spruttig or the Turbo or anything else from Ikea, let me know. I've done a lot of assembly and unboxing videos lately. I also mostly do, hence the name of the channel, mostly do dad product stuff and sometimes some vlogs. So check those out. Otherwise, see you guys next time. Bye.
You know, having the stroller with me all the time up in the overhead bin. As soon as we get off the plane, pull it out, unfold it, and walk off. You know, literally that could save you 15-20 minutes right there.